slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Review Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at this pair of Yeezy 700 V3s. I think these are the Alvahs, I believe, the black ones, I don't know. Anyways, let's get into it, man. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, make sure to show some love, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel. Last but not least, follow your boy's Instagram at ReviewStuffTV. Link is always in the description. And if you don't like what you see and you don't fuck with rep or UA products, you can click out the video. It's that simple. Don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Now, let's get into it, man. These took about 2 weeks from when I ordered them to get here. They came double boxed, bubble wrapped. I asked them to take care of them because they're for a friend, so the box stayed near perfect condition. Good service all around. Generally, haven't had an issue with this order, so looking forward to ordering more from them in the future. With that being said, guys, let's actually get into the shoes themselves. So this is a website. The website is kicksup.ru. So KICKSUP.ru. Instagram is at KickSup Service, and WhatsApp is right there as well. I believe that's their WhatsApp, WeChat, and Snapchat, I believe. So if you want to contact them, all those work. Same with the Instagram. Keep that in mind. So here are the shoes themselves. Let's put it to the side. Not going to take too long in this video. We already know what these shoes look like, so it's going to give you all a quick little look. But this is what the box looks like. It says Yeezy, or it says 700 on the top. Inside, you got some paper. Nothing crazy going on. You got some paper, your little StockX thing right there. And then nothing else on the sides, like a 700 V3 box would normally not have anything. So that's what the tag looks like. Yeah, so it's Alvah Yeezy 700 V3. Size 10, EPC inside. You got the little barcode, Yeezy 700 made by Adidas, blah blah blah. It's pretty much it for the bottom of the box, or for the rest of the box. Bottom has a little Adidas logo, nothing crazy, but yeah, pretty simple box there. We already know what's happening with that. Here are the shoes themselves. So you can see you got the little RFID tag right there, Adidas Originals. Pretty dope that they include that. But yeah, here is the shoe. So this is the first pair of these in hand that I've had. Pretty clean, honestly, pretty clean. I don't see any obvious glue stains. Quality of the shoe feels good as well. Again, this is the first time of me trying this site out, so definitely a learning thing for me. That just looks weird right there. Oh, but that's just because of the prime knit. That's fine. But yeah, you got the 3M right there as well. Prime knit touches here and there. You got these little waves going there, and then this is like all breathing material right here. I found with my personal pair of the original colorway of these that it started tearing where the plastic or the midsole meets this, just from like the glue from wearing them. So you can see in there, pretty tight fit. There's a size tag. Pretty tight fitting shoe around the ankle for sure. At first you struggle getting your foot in these, honestly. Sorry for the focus. It is an all black product, so it usually struggles with focus. With that being said, rest of the shoe generally looks good. Don't really see too much wrong with it at all, really. Bottom of the shoe, got that little wave runner aesthetic. You got the yellow. This is not boost. It is soft though, but it is not boost. All throughout the bottom. No Adidas branding as far as I know. The only thing is just this. Pretty much the only Adidas branding on the whole shoe. Rest of the shoe here, you get the tongue, of course, little, I don't even know what that material is, like some stretchy neoprene type material that you got going on there. But yeah, that's a right shoe. I think I covered everything for the most part. And the left shoe, same thing. You got the little StockX tag. This one did not come with a little holographic sticker behind it, just this. So yeah, these also did come with a pair of like Nike socks. I don't know if that's complimentary when you order from them. They're way too small, so I just gave them to my girlfriend. But yeah, 360. Again, got the 3M there. So yeah, generally the shoe looks good. I am happy with them for my first order, so I would say it's a pretty good seller. I'll have to like confirm it as I keep getting pairs from them. But for the first time buying from them, I would say the quality is on point. So usually you can tell with the first shoe or two from a site if the quality is like trash and they're pulling from like trash factories, and that does not seem to be the case with this one. So it's definitely nice to see. Size tag on the left one, if y'all can see that. Inside the shoe just says Yeezy, got the Ortholite insole. And yeah guys, pretty simple. Keeping this video short, keeping my videos in general short right now. Got a lot of shit going on in my life right now, good and bad, so just dealing with a lot, so bear with me. Also, I've been trying to shorten my videos for the longest time, so that's mainly the reason anyways. With that being said though guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you fuck with the boy, make sure show some love on the video, drop a like, turn on notifications, subscribe, follow your boy on Instagram at everystuffTV, and hopefully y'all stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.